Hey guys, so I have the November Boxycharm base box. This is actually the box that I pay for myself, so this is not a PR box. I do have an affiliate link with them down below. I like to always keep things clear with you guys. Also on my regular Boxycharm, I do have a giveaway going on, as well as on my Instagram. It's the same giveaway, so you can either enter here on YouTube or through my Instagram. So my link is down below if you guys want to go check it out. And yeah, we're gonna go ahead and get started. So my version for my own personal box is version number 31. And the first thing in here, which is actually on my eyes because this is a try on and I will have timestamps, is the Natasha Denona Peak palette. And this is worth $48. This is a full size. So I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys the mini ones so you guys can see the difference between the mini one. Yeah, you can definitely see the difference in the pan sizes. So yeah, this is a full size one, and I actually own quite a bit of her 5-pan ones. I absolutely love them, and I'm so excited because this one has so many mattes in it, and they're just like right up my alley. They're really warm tone, and then it has a very beautiful shimmer. I did do this look in the try on portion if you're interested. I'm just gonna go ahead and swatch them real quick so you guys can see them. Look at it. And her formula for the most part is absolutely amazing. I say for the most part because all the palettes that I have been really good, but I have seen like sometimes she has switched up the formulation and people are not happy about that. But overall, I feel like she does do really great palettes. Next product in here is the Peach and Lily Power Calm Hydrating Gel Cleanser. This is worth $28. I'm not gonna open it up just because I have quite a few cleansers that I'm using right now, and I don't want it to go bad by opening it up already and like taking off the seal, but this is what it looks like. And I'm hoping that it smells like peaches, but it says that it has chamomile in it, so it probably has like more of a clean scent to it, and it is a hydrating gel one. So I like gel cleansers, I don't mind them, and I'll keep you guys posted once I open it on Instagram. And then the next thing in here is the Milk Makeup Kush Waterproof Mascara. This is worth $24. It's supposed to be an intense black mascara thickening. It has heart-shaped fibers. You know what? I didn't even notice when I was applying it that it had fibers. I don't know. And then it's supposed to condition with hemp-derived cannabis seed oil. And this is worth $24. And the wand on this is freaking like huge. The packaging itself is like big and bulky and thick. And then the wand also is like super thick. I don't see like visibly any fibers because to be honest, I don't really care for fiber mascaras. I like tubing mascara, but I don't like fibers just because I have had the issue where the little hairs have gotten in my eye and like made me cry like a little child. So I am not about fiber mascaras, but this one actually really impressed me. It's actually what I have on my lashes right now, and I do like the volume that it gave them. I did build it up a bit. I have probably like 2 or 3 coats, but I do that with almost every mascara, so it's a really nice one. And we shall see how it comes off because it is waterproof, and I usually never buy waterproof, so we'll see if it's hard to get off or not. And then the next thing in here is the Genza Beauty Pumpkin Turmeric 2-in-1 Radiance Polishing Mask. This I'll go ahead and open and smell because I only have like one exfoliator open right now, and this is worth $45. And I have tried stuff from Genza and really enjoyed it. I know there was like a cream bronzer recently, and I really love that. Yeah, so it does have like a pumpkin-y kind of like fall scent to it, which I do not mind, and we shall see. So it's a polishing mask, so I'm not sure. Oh, okay, so you just like damp your skin and leave it on in the shower for like 5 to 10 minutes. It's supposed to like basically boost collagen with the pumpkin. The turmeric is supposed to smooth your skin. And it is basically like mask and a face polish in one. So we'll be trying this out and adding that into my skincare routine. And then the last thing in here is something that I tried in my PR box, which is the Jekka Black, the liquid corrector, the 2.0. And I'm just gonna add this to the box of stuff that I'm doing in the giveaway. just because I don't want a lot of this PR stuff to go bad. So anything that I'm not going to use, I really want to just give it away to you guys. So I'm doing that big box of skincare, makeup, brushes, the whole 9 yards over on my Instagram or on my first Boxycharm video if you're interested. So I'm gonna go ahead and jump into the try on portion so you guys can see how I tried all of this babies on. And yeah, I just put my primer on and I'm gonna go ahead and try some of this. I actually tried this in my PR box. The only thing that I don't like about it is if you guys see it, it gets super dirty. And so I like applying like this and then using the sponge to just basically blend it in. And you can definitely see the difference where it neutralizes the under eye circles, because your girl hardly sleeps and I really need to do better on that. And what I'm going to do is go ahead and put this little Jecca Black into my giveaway for you guys. You can enter in my Instagram down below if you want to, or you can go to the Boxycharm, my first video for the month of November, the PR box, and actually go enter over there if you're interested. So I'm gonna go ahead and yeah, I'm gonna finish the rest of my face and we'll come do the eyeshadow and the mascara and try those on with you guys as well. Okay, so we're gonna go ahead and jump into this palette. I already primed my eyes. I'm just gonna go ahead and set it a little bit using that first white shade just called Shine, and these are mostly matte. There's only one shimmer in here, so we're just going to set that and use that as our eyebrow highlight. I'm going to use this muted color right here and use that all over the crease. And these are pretty soft. They have quite a bit of kick up just in case, which I don't mind kick up as long as the shadow performs. So I'm just gonna put that all over the crease and blend it out, and then we're gonna put that orange shade on top. This brown is actually gonna be our lid shade. We're gonna do a really smoky like brown eye. I've seen my friend Julio do this so many times. I'm gonna put his Instagram around here. He's just amazing, so definitely go follow him. So yeah, I'm just gonna basically be inspired by his looks and do something similar. Okay, then I'm gonna use the orange shade next in the crease just to give it an extra pop, like underneath that other one. So I'm not going as high up. I'm gonna take the brown, the matte brown there, and then the last thing we're gonna do is take that matte brown in the middle, the dark one, and put that all over the lid. I'm going to take the shimmer shade and put that in the inner corner just to open up the eye a little bit, and use the, I think I'm going to go with the kind of muted orangey brownish shade right here, whatever it's called, Jasper, and that is what I'm going to use on my lower lash line. I think I'm gonna put some orange on my waterline, and then we'll come back and try the mascara together. Okay, so we're gonna go ahead and try the Kush Waterproof Mascara by Milk Makeup, and we're just gonna try it here on one eye and then the other eye. So I don't know why my lips, I feel, look so weird on camera, but in person they look okay, so I don't know what it is. Okay, so here is one layer of the mascara, and I'm probably gonna add like a couple layers or two because I'm not a one layer girl with mascara. I love building it up. If you ever meet me in person, you're gonna be like, damn, can you put on some more mascara? Because your girl just keeps adding and adding and adding. Sometimes I do go a little bit overboard. So you can definitely layer up this mascara. I put some underneath my lash line. I'm gonna go ahead and finish my other eye and give you guys my final thoughts. Okay, for final thoughts, I have to say I really like this box. I have a cleanser, an exfoliator, mascara, eyeshadow, and a corrector. The corrector, like I said, I'm gonna be giving away to you guys. I got it in my PR box, and I don't like doing backups or having an excessive amount of stuff because let's be honest, I only got one face. There's only so much I can use. So yeah, overall I feel like this is a great box. I will put the total value around here. I can't say enough good things about Boxycharm. That's one of the reasons that I'm subscribed to it myself. If not, I would just get the PR box and be like, but I absolutely love this. I can't say enough good things. I just shopped the Boxy pop-up. I had to like literally control myself. Let me know if you guys want a what's it called, like a haul on what I got from the Boxycharm pop-up, but they have been having like amazing sales over there, like really great products. Anyways, so I will leave you guys until the next time. Thank you guys so much for those who are subscribed. If you're not, hit that little red button, that little red one right there, and you can follow me on my social media down below, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye guys.